Let's discuss how to sync your HubSpot account or contact list to your LinkedIn ads. Now for this, your HubSpot and LinkedIn ads needs to be connected. In your HubSpot, go to CRM. In your CRM, you can click on lists here. So you will be able to see the list that you have already created here. So in case you have not created the list, you can click on this create segment option here and can create the list. So you can click on the create segment here and can click on the and can create the companies or the contact list from here. Let's exit that. Once you have created the list, go into the marketing section here and click on the ads here. Click on create audience from here, and then you can create the company or the contact list. So if you want to create the company segment here, click on the company and you can search, select the company list that you have created from here, and you can select the ad accounts and can name this list. Similarly, let's say if you want to create the contact segment here, you can select the list that you have created from here. Again, select the ad accounts from here, select the ad account from here, and you can name this list as well. So once you have created that list, go to the LinkedIn section. In the LinkedIn ad section, under the plan section, audiences, you will be able to see the list that you have created. Thanks so much.